This is my free golf cart that I got from a buddy of mine. It is a pretty old golf cart, but it sat for 6 years under like a little carport thing. Then the hurricane winds blew that away, broke the cover, so it sat out in the weather for probably another 3-4 months. The only thing we've done to get it running is put fuel in it, clean the carburetor, and put a battery in it. Overall, pretty good shape. I cleaned everything up, washed it, took the roof off, cleaned all that. I did pick up some new tires yesterday because the other ones were flat, dry rotted, and just some of the valve stems were broken off. Today, I decided to change the spark plug because it keeps dying. The old one didn't look bad, but I think I'm going to change this fuel filter because it's old and dirty. And I think now it's collected a little bit of junk from the tank, which was pretty clean for the most part. Plans for this thing, probably going to put some type of cooler mount on the back right here. I do have the flat piece that goes on the bed. Maybe put a set of solar panels on the top. That way I can have an extra battery for like a radio and some lights and stuff like that separately from the golf cart battery. And then I always have an extra battery with me just in case that there's an issue. The air filter is actually fairly clean. I've checked underneath it. There's no junk or anything in there. It does not go in reverse. The reverse gear is just stripped or broke or something. The belts seem to be holding up okay for now. It does have a little gas Kawasaki in it, a Wix filter on there. We still got to change the oil. And then just overall do some cleanup inside this engine bay. Because you can see there's just dirt and sand and roaches and bugs and shit everywhere. Overall, yeah, she's not bad. Lots of wiring cleanup to do. Got to get some terminal ends and whatever. And do a battery like distribution block somewhere so I can mount that stuff a little cleaner and not have to worry about it so much. And then maybe clean up some of this junk, get rid of the extra wiring. Yeah, overall, guys, this is my free golf cart that runs and drives. If you guys want to see more about it, I do have all the individual videos in my shorts of whether it's this or that and just doing certain stuff, fuel filters, all that kind of junk. Small bits and pieces that I'm doing over time. Follow the progress, guys. Let's go.